I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, many of you know that RYOBI's come out with many new tools lately. And I thought this might be perfect for people with kids, especially at Christmas. And if it saves one bad accident by cutting your fingers, by ripping open these blister packs, it's well worth it. Anyway, it is a RYOBI, however you want to say it, power cutter kit. FVC51K. Now it says it cuts cardboard, plastic, carpet, rubber, and leather. And I do have some leather, but we're not going to cut it with this. But we are going to cut a few other things. So, I've already opened it up and looked at it. You have your power cutter. You have a battery that comes with it. USB-C type battery charge. It comes with a cable. And it comes with an instruction manual. So, pretty comfortable. You see the size of it. Has the rotary cutter right here. That has 7 or 8 sides. Kind of hard to tell right now. I think it's 8-sided, which will make it an octagon. Got your special voltage instructions or information right here on the side. Pretty comfortable. Very comfortable. Push this button, pull the trigger, there you go. Pretty self-explanatory. So, first of all, got just a regular piece of cardboard I tore off a box. Nothing to that. Very easy. I like this. Okay, you see how that works on a piece of cardboard. I'll show you how I opened up another tool, which is a rotary tool. This one right here. So let's get to that one. We'll go that way. Let's go this way. Goes through there pretty easy, right? Got a piece of linoleum here, Home Depot sample. It is 0.75 mils thick. You can see it right here. Piece of linoleum. Let's see how it cuts through there. Very easy. Very easy. If you're a flooring person, you have to put down linoleum. This is what you need right here. Now, granted, these are intended to go into straight lines. So if you can get yours to do a little curve, I'm sure that might be beneficial for some people, but right now I'm just using it for straight lines. try this. Let's see if we can cut too thick on here. See if we can get that loaded in there. There we go. It did cut 2 very easy. Let's go like this. Let's see if it'll cut. Let's see here. Cut 3. Let's see if it'll cut 3. This might be pushing it. Let's see if I can pinch this together. Get it started in there. Oh yeah, there we go. One, two, three. There we go. 3 pieces. Okay. Also from Home Depot. Got a carpet sample. No issues with that at all. Not as easy as linoleum or cardboard, but it does cut. So I'm going to go out on a limb saying that this will cut fabric if you're a seamstress. You should cut fabric with no problem. I kind of like this. I don't know how much I'm going to use it, but I am going to get some use out of it. See the bottom of it. So for somewhere around $40 or $50, I forget what I gave for it, but I think they're on sale right now. Probably be on sale again soon, around Christmas time. RYOBI Power Cutter Kit. Not too bad if you need one. My name is Carl. Please check out my other reviews on tools, RYOBI tools, or any kind of rotary tool. Let's see, knife sharpening, just whatever. DIY projects, woodworking projects. Do appreciate you taking your time being with us.